this hairdryer, you get the diffuser, a quick dry nozzle, and the normal air outlet, as well as the actual hairdryer. The hairdryer has 3 different settings: hot, warm, cool. Has a cool shot button. Has a high, low, and off. A little indicator. The back. So first I'm just going to use the normal nozzle. Just clip it right on. Turn low and hot. Pretty straight shot. Snap it off. The hairdryer works great. It's better than my old 2004 one. The coolest feature is you can actually pop off the back filter, clean it, but it dried my hair twice as fast as my old one. It's a little big, but other than that, I think it's a great product.